Hi guys, welcome to another Freelancer Masterclass video. Please go to freelancermasterclass.com if you haven't and sign up for our free webinar we just posted. And also, please don't watch this video if you haven't watched the freelance project management video. Please look for that in our channel if you haven't watched that yet, because this is kind of a follow-up to that topic. In the project management video, we talked about how to best get all the thoughts that you have about a client's tasks, all the stuff that a client asks you to remember, and just put it out in a project management platform. And I use what's on the screen here as an example, teamwork.com. And there's lots of other project management platforms out there like Trello, for example. But this particular one is how to organize them. Okay, it's one thing to get everything down on paper, in a list, on a screen, in a list, but it's another thing to have them organized. You know, I'm looking at this now, this list, and I'm wondering what of these 12 tasks that are on my screen can do. I've got a lot of tasks here, right? So the way I like to do it, and as you can see, there's a lot of icons here, and these icons do help you, but I'm going to show you kind of a little workaround to keeping everything organized by priority, because you need to be able to wake up and know, boom, this is what I need to do for that client today. Boom, even though this is due tomorrow, this isn't a priority. That kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I use. Now in Teamwork, and a lot of these other platforms have this, but in Teamwork, you see this little, if I mouse over this little graphic shows up. It's like an up and a down arrow with a grid in the middle. This allows you to drag tasks up and down. So what I can do here is usually when I bring on a new client, and you're probably the same way, is you have a list of many different tasks, but you don't know what a priority is a lot of the times. What you need to do now is you need to drag them to the top, and you'll know that the priority is at the top moving down. So all you have to do at this point is organize them from top to bottom. So I might say, okay, send customer personas. This is a very top priority. The client says this is the number one thing they're interested in. Okay, and then I go develop channel-based retargeting. Okay, so I'll bring that up. It doesn't really matter if you know what these tasks are, because you'll have your own tasks as a freelancer, which you'll definitely know what they are, or you should. If you don't know what tasks you're doing for your client, you should probably not work that client. But anyway, these are my tasks that I work for my clients as a marketing strategist. So now I wake up and I know, okay, somebody named Mateo is working on this, and that absolutely has to be done today. So I'm going to follow up with him today. And then I know as Mike V here, is my top priority is develop channel-based retargeting. Okay, so I'm going to work on that because it's more important than this one beneath it. If this task beneath it gets deprioritized, I'm just going to bring it down to where I think it belongs. Maybe it goes all the way down here. You know, clients rarely have a set schedule for you where all the tasks are always in the same priority level, right? Almost, they change on a daily basis sometimes. So I'm in here day in and day out moving tasks around. And what I do in my calendar is I have twice a day for 15 minutes specifically designed to log into Teamwork and to adjust task priorities. And if that's the way you are, if you're structured like that, you should do that too. So dragging and dropping various tasks is a great way to organize and prioritize what tasks you need to do on a day-to-day basis, even if you're managing a team. Okay, so good luck.